Good evening, everyone. Jose J. Garcia, real estate investor, coach, and mentor. So we just got through with the first new coaching series call where we're going to have guest speakers, investors, entrepreneurs, park owners, park managers. Tonight was insurance agents, specifically for mobile home investing, who is also part of our team. The goal here for these new coaching series is to add that much more value, but really truly become a problem solver for y'all. As investors, you're going to run into issues. You're going to have questions. You're going to have ideas. The goal is to bring these experts, if you will, so that they can answer this. And being part of this community, we're continuing to grow, keep educating, keep learning, and keep going. That's what it's all about. Now, tonight's call, I was impressed with the questions, which is awesome. High five to everybody who sent me questions. And here's how it's going to work out. So every Wednesday or Thursday, I am going to post who the next guest is going to be for that following Sunday, that upcoming Sunday at 8 p.m. live on Instagram. I'm going to keep reminding you, it's live on Instagram, no Zoom right now. So what's going to happen now is from that point, you can, based on that guest speaker, you can send us your questions like you did tonight. And I mean, guys, you sent all kinds of great questions about policies, how to insurance, liabilities, what is the deductibles, the entries, etc. That's what we want. We want those kind of questions because that's how we can really be a problem solver and add that value that we're trying to strongly aim for. So for the next upcoming, we will post it the following Thursday coming up. You'll be able to send those emails, and again, we'll go live 8 p.m. Now, you're watching this video on YouTube. The coaching is not here. What I need you to do is scroll through the description and click on the link, which is going to take you directly to our Instagram, where you will be able to watch the recording. Recording is great. You can watch it as many times as you can. If you cannot attend, I understand life happens. You have a life routine, schedule, etc. But if you really want to be part of, you need to be part of that call, because we also had a lot more questions that were asked during the call that, of course, we answer towards the end. We start with the ones that are being sent, but everybody's questions gets answered. And most importantly, we give the contact to that guest speaker. So we're not just sitting here teaching and talking and giving you ideas, which all those are great, but then you're left sitting, well, now I got to go find me an agent, or I got to go do this, or not at all. If you choose to connect with our agent, we put their email, their phone number, their website, their Instagram, and or their social media so that you can connect directly. And may I remind you, these are typically part of our team already, so they are well familiar with mobile home investing and what we do. Check out the description, click on the link. I hope you enjoyed call number 1. Next Sunday, hope to see you there. Thank you for watching.